It's NAB 2024. I'm still here on the VITEC stand doing a number of videos. Another one with David. Hi, how you doing?
Hi again.
Good, right. So, some more diamond news?
Yes, we have. I'm really excited with this new Diamond-H encoder.
Okay.
For a couple of reasons. One, we just won the best of show, and the reason for it is because this is really portable.
Yeah.
Low voltage, really small, industrialized,
quite robust.
encoder. Robust, yeah. It has dual HDMI input for 2 HD or one 4K.
Okay.
It has a HDMI loop through, so you can connect your source, and the loop through can be used to for a monitor,
Yeah.
so, saving you the splitter. It supports plenty of streaming protocol, or what we have with our Diamond family, UDPTS, RTP, RTMP, Zixi, SRT, and all of this.
Brilliant. And is it, I mean, obviously it's new at the show.
Yeah.
Is it ready to ship?
Yes, it's ready to ship.
Brilliant.
And released.
Yeah. Great. So for people who want to know more about how they can use it, how they can fit it into their applications, we send them to the website, which is
vitec.com, products and encoders.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, David.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to say about the product?
Yes, it's also power over Ethernet, PoE+.
Oh, okay.
So
Always
it's
good.
another advantage for this product.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thanks again, David.
No problem.
Make sure you go to the website to find out more information, and of course for everything else that we've done on the VITEC booth, and for everything we're doing at NAB 2024, it's kitplus.com.